All right, it's snowing, and I just got these new Ray-Bans. The Ray-Bans Metas. So let's go POV drifting. Wow. Let's take the Miata out, boys. Let's see if it start. Oh, I'm gonna slip. Oh my God. So funny. Isn't that the Jake? It's very cold, as you can see. The snow's actually kind of melted by now. I want to give you a little update on the Miata, actually, because I know a lot of people have had questions, and some people haven't watched the channel in a while. Is it still Jaren's? Where is Jaren? Yada, yada, yada. Jaren's my sister, and the Miata is a car that she and I built together her senior year of high school. That was 3 years ago now. I think we finished the car 3 years ago. She went to college, she ended up moving, and now she lives half the country away. And so the car really now is kind of like, well, I'm not gonna sell it because like it means more to me than a lot of other cars just because she and I built it together. But I've wanted to keep it around, but I did realize after a certain amount of time of her not coming back, I was like, well, the car's just sitting and, you know, I own the car, so I might as well do something with it and drive it and have fun with it. I've started to start, as you can kind of tell, like the car has an e-brake and stuff now. I haven't really made a video on that, but I got new brakes, e-brake, about to change the wheels, do some stuff to it, probably add a roll bar. It's sort of like my backup grassroots fun car, but obviously I also spent a decent amount of money doing a nicer turbo kit and all that, and I've made it kind of a nice car. It's our car still, and I think the Miata is always gonna be our car, so anytime she comes back to visit, she can just drive it, have fun with it, whatever. You know, I'd love to teach her how to like drift or drive the car someday, but I'd like the car to be prepped for her to do that when she gets back. Yeah, I'm probably gonna start modding it again and doing it a little bit more to my taste. High school girl to a young adult girl changes a lot too, so I don't think anybody's taste is hearts anymore. And as you guys can see, I took the heart taillights out. They got regular stock taillights back in. I re-cleared them, so they're nice. But anyways, I wanted to give you a little bit update on that. I haven't made much content on it. If you guys saw the more recent videos of her, she just doesn't live here anymore. She lives way up northwest. So keeping the car, but I'll be probably driving it. I'm gonna be using it. I'm gonna be driving it because, I mean, I bought the car. It's in my name, you know, it's still our car. And so yeah, just a little update on that. I don't know what daily advice I have for you guys today. You know, I wanna tell you, in life, you're gonna have a lot of friends. If those so-called friends wouldn't mention your name in a room full of opportunity, they're not your friend. I've met a lot of people that I really considered my friend in life, and they turned out to be gatekeepers, and they wanted everything to themselves and nothing for their friends, so they took it all. You're never gonna hurt your own success by aiding someone else's. That's just not how that works. Make sure you really, I don't know, maybe 2024, you narrow down your group of friends. I probably have like, I don't have very many, but it's for good reason. Be careful who you hang around with. Really, genuinely try your best to stay away from the people that don't want the best for you. It's toxic and you'll end up paying for it sooner than later if you don't make a decision. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. That was filmed with my new Ray-Bans Meta glasses. They're interesting. I'm gonna talk about them here pretty soon, but I think they're pretty sick. I'm gonna put them in my helmet, use them for drifting. It's gonna be sick. Have an amazing day. Love you all. Mwah. Bye. Oh, also make sure you guys enter into winning the E46 giveaway. Last giveaway we're ever doing, and it ends in like a week and a half, 2 weeks. Peace.